All right, our calls of the day. Guggenheim raised its price target today on Target to $200, reiterated their buy. They continue to believe the brand remains strong. All right, Jason, you own it. And discretionary, by the way, best year to date. It's up 15%. But how about TGT?
You got it. So obviously discretionary has done very well so far this year. And I think Target for me, going back to last year, my mistake was thinking that this was going to be the inventory issue was going to be a one-quarter issue. But here we are now in Q1 of 2023, and I do think the inventory story will be behind them, going forward. They're trying to get back to 6% operational margin growth, which is pre-pandemic levels. I think Cornell can get there. Obviously, markdowns have hurt profitability, but I like this call here. The stock is up about 15%, trading at a market multiple, and I think there's an opportunity going forward.
Brand, you like Target?
I like shopping there, but I like Walmart better. I think that I still believe we're late stage economic cycle. I think that I would prefer Walmart. Walmart even said last quarter that they're getting higher end shoppers, which are the Target shoppers, coming to Walmart. And also, as I think about a hedge fund doing a pairs trade, I feel like if the economy weakens, people would go long Walmart, short Target for that reason. So I would buy Walmart here if I had to buy one of the two.
Okay. Weiss, we have some business to take care of with you. All right. Good thing is my memory never fails me, okay? You sold Lululemon.
I did.
How'd you sell Lululemon? Because I'm telling you, here's what you said on January 9th.
Yep.
Okay, Mr. Weiss?
Sure.
We're in a luxury environment. Anytime Lulu, gets hurt, it's a buying opportunity. Said it was a pretty big trade for you. Said it deserves a high multiple because growth rate is sustainable.
Yep.
Why'd you sell it?
Well, because I got a year's worth of performance in about 2-3 weeks. So if you recall, I bought it on the flush. It was down, whatever, 20, 26 that day to, I forget the price level. It got up into 320s. And I started to sell it as, it went above 315 or so. I do like it. That hasn't changed. It's not complete luxury. It's actually mixed, but it does lend itself to the luxury consumer. So when you're getting that kind of gift, and with my market view, I'm going to ring cash register every single time.
But you said that anytime it gets hurt, it's a buying opportunity. So if it was like 320, well, now it's below that. Right? Well, you going to buy it back?
Yeah, I think I'll be able to get it below 300 again. So yes, I will. But it was a 10% move or more in a compressed period of time. How do you not take that off the table? It's not like I had to hold it for another 11 months to have long-term gains. I wasn't going to do that.
But
I think, just sorry to interrupt.
No, go ahead.
I think, I shop at Lulu, and I think, the Peter Lynch model, buy what you know.
Right.
I will say that I think the store needs a refresh. You go in there, their shoes look just like Nikes, by the way, and then you go in there, and it's the same stuff. And I know there are other private companies that people are pivoting to for that, athleisure. And so I just think when you go in there and you have the same styles, different colors year after year, that to me is an issue for the company, looking just like the same inventory, which I think is one of the reasons also the stock has some pressure.
Well, they've had...
And I just want our viewers to understand the full psychology of a trade like this for something that you were, pretty darn bullish about a month ago.
Yep.
And made the case to them, our people, and now you're selling it. So I just want them to get inside your head to understand fully why.
Yeah, I mean, my gain, what I foresaw is the upside my stock happens a lot quicker than I envisioned, right? You typically don't see that kind of move, particularly when all the analysts come out and say, oh, woe is me, gross margin getting crushed again, right? However, revenues are better than expected, earnings are better than expected. There is more competition. I'm not really worried about the market. But, where was the stock going to be? I thought I'd have to own it for at least 6 months, to get there. So I was able to own it for a few weeks, and then I'll refresh because it's a trading market.
Okay.